can't see me or you can't see the ball. And I saw this carrot cake inspired pancakes. Like, it's just a mess. Today is the first time that I actually get to wear one of the sets and go to the gym, see if it's sweat proof. I don't particularly like it for the long run. This is absolutely the blandest thing on earth. You're absolutely not straight and this is not the right angle. Buon pomeriggio, beautiful people. How are you? I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I went to the hairdresser yesterday on Saturday, and I'll show you in a second. I wanted to go lighter, okay? I was blonde when I was younger, so I wanted to go lighter, and I had a discussion with the hairdresser. She was like, okay, we're going to do this in stages. So right now we're going to lighten up, do a little bit of balayage / highlights, and then in 8 weeks you're gonna come back and do the rest. So let me show you. You're absolutely not straight and this is not the right angle. Okay, I feel like you can see it better. We literally just lightened it up a little bit. Obviously it was much nicer yesterday, but yeah, we went lighter. I don't particularly like it for the long run, but if it's just a matter of, 6 to 8 weeks and then we can go back in and we can make a little bit better, then I think it's okay. I don't know, I feel like it's very 2005, 2010, like when they used to have like very harsh highlights and you literally had black hair with super blonde bits. But for now, we shall do with it. I am going to have a little bit of breakfast. We're going to a gym in an hour and a half, so I kind of need to hurry up and eat something so that I can have some energy. I'm very excited because I'm going to wear, if you've seen my previous video, I did the Oner Active Effortless collection try on haul. So today is the first time that I actually get to wear one of the sets and go to the gym and see how I feel, see if it's sweat proof, and yeah, just getting a feel. So I'm very excited for that. So yeah, I'm going to have breakfast now, and I was scrolling through online to just get a feel of what I could do because I'm getting quite bored with my breakfasts. I feel like I have the same thing over and over again. And I saw this carrot cake inspired pancakes. So I've grated half a carrot and I have as well cut with my hands into pieces 6 walnuts halves, whatever they're called. So we're going to try to do it, but I'm going to add my collagen, or if you have some unflavored or maybe some vanilla protein, you can add it to make it a bit more high in protein. I just wanted to do it with you so that we could see whether it's going to be nice, and if so, we can try it. You can't really see what I'm doing, or you can see me or you can't see the ball. I think I'm gonna use only 1 egg today, and they said to add about 50 ml of milk. They said almond milk, but I don't have that. Cinnamon. Then I blend some oats to make oat flour. About 26 grams of oat flour. And as well, I wanted to add, to get a little bit more fiber in, this is like wholemeal flour. And I think I'm gonna make it another, 25 grams, so it's a total of 50. Ooh, gee, okay, that was way more. Okay, so now we have wet and dry mixed, and I think that's it. I think just a bit of baking powder. I always like to add some salt and a tiny bit of honey, because then I'm going to mix some more with yogurt and cinnamon to make sort of like the frosting, so I don't want to add too much. Okay, so that's the mixture. Let's mix it now properly. Oh, haha, I forgot the collagen. There you go. Looking all right, I'd say. I think it's a good consistency. Well, normal pancake should be a little bit more dense, but with the carrot, I don't know, I don't want to make it too dry. Also, I got, in the past, when I used to track my food, I got really triggered, and it would make me basically eat less or be obsessed throughout the day just thinking about food, which inevitably make me either want to eat more or eat less, and then I would get upset if I ate more than my macros for that day. It it was really bad and not a nice relationship with food at all. But it has been now 2 years. Yeah, 2 years since I've last tracked like daily. And I didn't think I wanted to do it again, but I feel like right now I need it, in the sense that I want to do a very, very slight deficit to slowly lose some fat, but without feeling like I'm on a diet or like I'm restricting myself. So now I think I'm going to start again. I think I'm going to start tracking just to ensure that I don't overdo in terms of cutting and I inadvertently create a bigger deficit that I'm personally comfortable with, and vice versa. You know, I just thought I wanted to do it. So if this triggers you in any way, shape or form, I'm sorry. I'm just going to quickly track this breakfast while it cooks. I'm just going to, I guess, put the macros in the description box so that if you see it on screen and again it triggers you, then hopefully that's going to be better. But yeah, I just thought I would start tracking again. Also because I am almost the strongest I've ever been at the gym. I'm in a really, really good place where I'm really pushing well and I'm really happy with where I am. So I really don't want to lose that strength by overdoing it with cutting my my macros. So yeah, I just really want to get strong. And I'm almost finished with my program. So I think I said it many times before that I'm following the Coach Mark Carroll, I can't remember what it's called now. Basically one of his strength guides. I really love it, but I'm also really looking forward to try a new training program. I am debating whether I want to do my own because, as I said, I'm starting to become a PT. And I've done my own programs in the past and I've seen loads of progress in the past following my own advice and my own techniques and whatnot. But as well, part of learning is not only, I guess, putting into practice the theories of what I know through the course and what I know through my own research and, you know, years of experience, but I think as well trying other people's programs I think really helps to open up new experiences, to see other methods that I haven't used in a while or I've never come across. Yeah, just see what's out there and get a very good understanding of what I think about it, if I think they're effective, if it worked on me, etc, etc. I don't know yet, we shall see. I was talking so much and I forgot to flip the pancake. Look at that. Hopefully I haven't left it too long. There you go. I feel like it's looking good. It's huge, so I might need to wait a bit longer than an hour and a half in order to work out because I feel like I'm still gonna have it with my stomach. I'm gonna take a little bit of yogurt, tablespoon and a half, and I'm gonna put a tiny bit of cinnamon and half a teaspoon of honey. Like that. Almost like frosting. I really hope it's good because literally it's the only thing I've eaten today. To be honest, it tastes like carrot cake. It's honestly carrot cake.
2 hours later.
Okay, I'm gonna be honest. I've eaten like, I'd say 60%. I'm struggling. If you want to do it at home, I'd say maybe make 2 and have 1 later. I'm not sure. But yeah, I feel like I'm going to leave it there, put it on the fridge, and then I'm gonna have it this afternoon because it's so good, but I cannot finish it. There is something I want to show you, which arrived, and I did mention it 2 vlogs ago. The new bed arrived. Oh my god, I'm so happy. It's huge, but not too big that it takes away the space. The mattress, this is a double-sided mattress, and then the bed is a king-size mattress. So the new one is going to arrive in about 12 days. So yeah, it's going to be much higher and much wider, so you don't have that slope there. But I am so pleased. The material, I feel like it's really nice. It's this linen in sort of, it's not beige, but it's like bone. I don't know. It's a really nice color. Really, really good quality. The more I see it, the more I can confirm that I want to paint this wall. I'm thinking just this wall instead of the whole room, just to make like an accent wall. I am debating whether to do it like olive green or on the greeny bluey side. I don't know. If you guys have any ideas, just let me know, because I'm debating what can go well. And as well, hate these bedside tables. They were very cheap and the only ones that would fit in our bedroom in the apartment. So this was more of a necessity rather than because we like them. And I definitely want to get rid of them, as well as with the lamps. Everything is just very white and bland. So I'm going to again put some pictures on the screen of what I'm thinking about in terms of vibe. I did sketch the room on a software online, and I'm thinking of maybe some mirrors behind the lamps. I don't know, we shall see. But I definitely want to make this a very important wall with character and contrast and textures, and I don't know, just way better than this, because this is absolutely the blandest thing on earth. But it's a good start. I mean, slowly but surely we're getting there. We haven't done any more renovations in the house in a while, since I showed you since I did the house tour and the update on the renovation. So we had a bit of time off because it was Christmas, and then it was just like a lot that you have to think about, save for. So we're getting there, but it's taking a while. Here's my little shadow. Mimo. Hi. I was just getting ready, and don't mind the mess because I have cramped 2 wardrobes worth of clothes in one, waiting for the day that we're gonna buy our second chest of drawers. So please do not mind the mess. But I was getting ready, and this is I think it's about 70% of my activewear, and this is the new section of Oner Active Effortless collection. So yeah, this hopefully one day is going to be much more aesthetic and put together in my chest of drawers. And you know, I was getting ready, and today honestly I'm feeling like Rosewood, because it was the one that made me feel the most confident. So yeah, I'm going to wear this when I get ready to go to the gym. Honestly, I can barely talk because I have a hiccup every 2 seconds. As well, does anyone have this thing of bra caps? I mean, I use them, okay? Because I don't have much going on and I like to give them some sort of shape, because yeah, mine tend to flatten very easily. So I do use them, but I end up not knowing what came with what goes with what. Like, it's just a mess and I don't know where to put them, and they end up going everywhere and falling out everywhere. So I don't know if anyone has the same situation as me. I'm hiccuping. So yeah, honestly, I think I'm just going to go and read a book. Yeah, I'm gonna lie down in your bed, read my book, wait until I got the food adjusted a little bit longer, and then we shall go to the gym, and fingers crossed I'll be able to film properly without bothering anyone, and we shall see if the activewear is sweatproof. Okay, so I just finished the session and I was looking for sweat patches, and I think you don't see any. Even here, I think is sweatproof. So we're back from the gym and we just had lunch, very easy and light salad, and oh my god, it's one of my favorite things ever. I was about to start doing some coursework for my PT certificate, just trying to get it out of the way and get as much done as possible on the weekends. I am so happy, so happy that I can confirm that at least the Rosewood set from Oner Active is sweatproof. I think they're going to restock soon, and as I mentioned, I'm gonna get my hands hopefully on the midnight leggings. So I really advise you that if you're thinking about getting a pair or getting something, do it. I honestly don't think you'll regret it. I love every single piece, and if you struggle like me in terms of sizes or whatnot, my measurement and everything is in the previous video in the description box, so hopefully yeah, that will be a bit helpful. I don't know, I feel like I want to start again doing some house content in terms of the renovations and, you know, stuff, DIY or painting and things like that, but I don't know, just let me know if something that you'll be interested in, because I don't want to just do it just because I like it. I also want to do content that people enjoy watching, so let me know if that's something you are interested in watching as well. Yeah, as I mentioned before, do give me some suggestions or your opinion on what to do with that wall in our bedroom. And yeah, I have absolutely no idea how long this vlog is going to be, but hopefully it has been interesting and fun to watch. I haven't yet planned what I'm going to film next, but I definitely want to do a more in-depth video with regards to my training program, because this last 3 weeks is a bit of a different method where we do 5 sets of 5 reps. So you go very heavy, you have slightly longer rest periods, and as I mentioned, it's very high volume because you do 5 sets instead of 3 or 4. So I think perhaps I can do the next video of a more in-depth walkthrough of everything, of the weights, of the form, and just walk you through one of the workouts. So perhaps I will do that next. But if you have any suggestions, again, just let me know below what you would like to see, and I'm more than happy to do that and, you know, do what you guys want. And yeah, I really hope you liked this video. If you did, then please don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn the bell notification on so you know when I upload, and hopefully I will see you next time. Ciao!